dojis, right? Made a
Yeah.
video about that. Let me put my light here. Let me see
All
myself.
right. So we're just recording a trade that we're in now. We're up. We've already locked in 238 in profit. You see here on the right, and we're waiting for this thing to pop up. And if it does, like a crazy candle to the upside, we're gonna buy some more to bring it down. I think this is a good example of risk management.
Let's do it.
Because we've already locked in profits, right? Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Down again. See, I may lock in. What we're doing is we're locking in profits so that we have more capital to come in if it pops up crazy. So this looks like it's trying to give some resistance up, but I'm trading the 1 minute candle on MEXC. By the way, 7-day challenge is going to be up and running, man.
Wow.
I'm going to show you.
This is going to be a great stuff for people who are still, in their beginning phases and, need to know how to start trading and stuff like that, right?
All right, so you see we got a little pump coming up. This is what we're waiting for. Waiting for it to really, and I'm going to come in maybe another 25%. We're going to look for an open short. Why are we going short? Because, well, if I zoom out, right? If I zoom out of this thing into the hourly, here's that channel. Remember my son brought this, right? So it's breaking down. So
yeah.
Targets for this breakdown are going to be right around the 66 and a half. That's the target. And look, it lines up perfectly with the resistance here. So let me get rid of this candle here. Go back into the minute. And you see, so this would have been an interesting place to hold on. Let me bring this thing up. This would have been interesting top here to bring down, but look, this is all sloping down. Let me extend this channel. Right, it's in this new channel. This is the breakdown from the hourly we just saw. Come back, get over here. So let me keep.
I'm gonna try BingX. I haven't yet tried the leverage trading on BingX. You're doing it on MEXC. You got 300 leverage over there, don't you?
Oh, I can go even higher. I can go 500
Wow.
leverage.
BingX I see has 150 maximum.
BingX is a very nice exchange. I don't use it, but a very good trader that I know uses it. I like MEXC because it's easy.
They don't need MEXC don't need verification, right?
No, you do. There's a level of KYC. So
they ask you for an ID only at a certain level, right?
At a certain level, yes. Right. So if you're looking to take money out, then of course you're going to need a KYC.
Yeah.
Right. So look, this thing is sloping down, man. But that triangle. Oh, you know what? Let's take a look at gold, dude. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let's take a look.
You can go 500.
Because gold. Because remember yesterday we were talking about. We were talking about how it breaks out.
It's still. I was looking at it all morning. It's still dangling between the. It's having a hard time crossing the 500, which gives me a bit of a indicator that it might start dropping down a little bit. It's having a hard time climbing above the 5,000 all day long. But at the same time, it's holding that 5,000 level, so it might. I have a buy position open right now as we're speaking, by the way.
So yeah, I'm curious if gold follows Bitcoin breaking down. So it looks like it tried to break down here, although it's holding better than.
It's holding
Bitcoin. Exactly. Let's take a look at this here. Here's. Oh,
Because Bitcoin is dropping, but this one is holding. But then again, what is dropping in Bitcoin, right? Dropping holding can be somewhere between 65 to 69 when we're talking about cryptocurrency, because it's.
All right, so yeah, that would have been nice. It's still channeling down. I may take some more profits here. I may take some more just to lock some profits in. It's probably going to go out to that orange line because that's the channel. It's really following. It's respecting the channel. And you saw up here when it came out, it came crashing down with major force, man. So it's respecting this channel now. We're still going to do the New York Open, which is a few hours from now.
You're still on the short. Should I enter the short too with you, or we're done with that? Is it still good? Is still a good entry, or you don't think so anymore? Because I think it's going to continue dropping from here. No,
I do think it's going to continue dropping from here. I'm going to try to lock in some. See us respecting that channel line. I love technical analysis, dude. I love it. Look, it respects that, but it's still sloping down. So the longer we go, the lower it's going to come. I'm going to take some profits in a minute.
Do you go for isolated or cross, by the way, when you go leverage?
I'm doing cross, but it doesn't matter now because I don't have any other positions open. If I have like positions in Ethereum, XRP, maybe I do cross. It's a lot more risky because you're pulling money from your whole account.
Right.
Whereas isolated, you have a certain amount of money that's allowed in this position. Be wiped. And it doesn't.
But then again, the trading itself, it uses the same amount for the profits.
So I actually enjoy this. I have fun, but it gets in the way of me doing.
It's contradicting what we always tell people.
Well, yeah, but that's what I tell people. Don't follow me. I'm very, very different. But let me show. Why don't we do a sneak peek as to what's happening here?
That's why we couldn't sit our ass in school when we were kids, right?
Go. Hold on. Let me get here. I want to show you what we got coming up. I know Viltrix is coming out with staking too.
Yes.
So the preview here. One second, almost ready.
Yeah.
So let me. Where is this? I'm leaving the markets.
You're leaving me in the trade by myself? You're good to go. I'm gonna take profit at just 67300 or 67400, and that's it. And leave it.
I have a take profit 67488. But I'm taking profits all the way down there, so if it does pop up, I can put it in, add to my position. Now let me show you this. Well, this is exciting. All right, so I'm going from here. Now watch this. This is exciting, friends. Look at this. This is the Crypto Crush. It's going to be the 7-day challenge. You see my screen, brother? Look at this.
Yeah.
Come on, look at this.
Nice.
Look at this. This is
nice.
This is the challenge. Use an AI trading platform to generate a weekly recurring revenue stream. So you don't have to do this technical analysis and be in the trades like this trade here, right? Many people wouldn't want to be in this. I, on the other hand, like it. And I've been doing this for a while. But going back to the challenge, so you can join this challenge for free. You put your name and email in, and then you come here. You got to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know what's important? You got to join our WhatsApp group because that's where I really flow. You got to follow us on Twitter, and if Amir is really heavy on Telegram,
yeah,
you click this button and you it goes to start the challenge. Welcome to day one. Look at this. Welcome to day one.
Love it.
Look now,
Love
what?
it.
Look, we have registration links and tutorials. So if you want to register for MEXC or Binance or Bybit, MetaMask, and all this, or you also can do it with a tutorial where you can watch what the video is. And if you haven't started Belt Tricks, you go there. But then you can go to day 2. Welcome to day 2. And this is a video here. So this is exciting.
So nice.
This is going to go live. Then we go day 3.
So
Look at
neat.
day 3. Look at this. This is now buying crypto. And again, we do MEXC, Binance, Bybit, MetaMask.
So nice. So nice. So nice. So nice. This is a wow.
Day 4. Welcome to day 4.
It's like you're literally taking them hand by hand.
Oh, we are.
Wow.
So Rihanna and I go through
Yeah,
this.
Rihanna is a queen when it comes to that.
So now, okay, this could be a good time to open a short for me. Maybe I will. I'm going to open up a little position, a little short here, because this looks like it's getting out of hand. Just added to my short position. All right, let's get back to this thing. So let me give you a sample again here.
What's up? What's up? Welcome to.
Yeah, it's a little hyper, but it's great, man. So this is my office in the city. I'm on the country now. You can go to day 5. Welcome. Now this is great. Day 5, right? Then we go to day 6.
Wow.
Right? Crypto, cash out guide, and then so you're basically finished. They're invested here, and then this is the page I'm still building out. It's not ready yet. But that's what we got coming, friends. Oh, it paid out. Look, I took that short right there. Did you see that? I took that short, added to my position here. I'm going to take some profit.
I added and now I'm looking better because my entry point was better. So now I'm looking at profit, but I'm not going so aggressive as you. I'm still tiptoeing with a big X.
It's really getting to know the charts. It's about going. You can practice charts, but the truth is, charting, doing technical analysis in the live market is very different when you're trading live money.
Right.
Your emotions are different. Your thought patterns are different. Your focus is different. Even your breathing patterns are different, man.
Wow.
So think about like a sniper. Think of a sniper, right? Focusing on his breathing. He's got to be focused. He's got to be relaxed. He can't have a nervous guy on that trigger. You got to be relaxed, calm. They do that 4-second square breathing.
Yeah.
4 holds,
right.
4.
They let everything
4.
out. And when they let it out, that's when they click.
So that's pretty much this, you know. And this is a great example, I think, of how I do risk management. We're already in profit, 235. It's going down. Like, that is the trend. It is going down. I don't think there's any good news coming out. America is still, their government's still in lockdown mode. Could be another.
And I saw that they got another ship over there in the Gulf. So now they have 3 USS whatever.
Bro, what do you know
I'm not-
that? I think one aircraft strike force from America is equivalent to like
Oh yeah, I really
the
looked into it.
fifth largest air force.
I was looking really into that when we were in the bunkers back in the war, and I was like, oh my god, they brought this ship over. Let me read what it can do. Oh, okay.
No, but
That's
like
what it
they
can
have
do.
enough. They have more planes than the average country does. Warplanes than the average country. Okay,
Oh,
here
it
we
can
go.
eliminate
Maybe
it.
Short.
It's bad. I'm
Opening
not-
short.
Oh, you're opening another one right now?
Just took another
Yeah.
short because it's respecting. Look at that. It's respecting the channel. Respecting the channel. Look, it's 12 o'clock. Look, notice the time. So it's 6 a.m. New York. So all the real money makers are already in Wall Street, right? Like the financial guys I know, they're already in the office.
Right.
But this is around lunchtime, Central European time. That was a nice move. I'm happy I took that short there. And we still got 433 to trade with. Oh, here we go again. Settle
See if it's gonna
down.
respect the channel. Yeah, it should. It should go low. Go low.
So I think, yeah, there's a respect there, man.
It's
That's
struggling to
respect.
pass that. It's trying to.
And there it goes.
That's good. Let's see those red candles coming down. Which time zones are you looking at? Time frames.
This is a 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, let me switch with you because
If I looked at the hourly, I wouldn't be trading like this. I would have a whole different perspective. I'm gonna take a short.
another one.
Well, yeah, you see how it's not coming past that wick there?
Yeah.
Here's a second minute on the hour. The last time it came out of the channel. Look at this. Last time it came out of the channel. Hold on, let me come up here. Look at this. It came
I
out.
see it's struggling.
It came out and it was like
Dropped right back down.
bro. This is like
Boom.
Muhammad Ali hitting
Yeah, you
George, like boom. This is a 2 minute candle. Look at this. It went from here all the way. It went through the whole channel. Like, here we go again.
Here we go.
Rejection.
Here we go. Here we go.
And this is
Here
what
we go.
ah man, it's a lot of fun.
Here
So
we
what
go.
I'm doing also is on quantity, I take about 20-25%. Let's do 22% here. So I'm taking, keep it 24, and I'm doing it market value. And every time, like the next ones, if it comes down here, I'm gonna take 25%.
Oh, you do small take profits, yeah.
Right. So that's how you see realized. We already have a realized of 234 in profit, and we have an unrealized of 124. When it's about twice the amount. When it gets down to about like a certain level, like here, there's a lot of confluence here. Then I'm going to take 25% profit. It's coming. And then I have more capital to put in if it decides to spike up.
Right.
Right. So I'm building the realized profit, but I'm also adding capital. I call it like war chest. You're adding to the war chest.
To the arsenal.
Yeah, you got to add to the arsenal, man. You got to add to the arsenal.
Drop a little bit more, mommy.
But look how it respected the channel, man. So we got a couple of little supports here, as you see. So
I took some profit. I'm gonna wait for it to go back up to a 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. Then I'm gonna re-enter or something like that. Or it's 6, 7, 8, 5 or somewhere.
right. So another thing is when people say, should I take the trade? Like, I don't know, dude. I don't know what your situation is. I don't know. Are you on your phone? Are you driving a car? Like don't do it. Don't like I'm showing what I'm doing to show you
Here we go.
a way of trading, right? So I'm gonna take some profits here
Right. We're
in a
down.
minute.
See, I was a little bit impatient right now. I should have waited a little bit more and then take profit and then wait for it to go back up. That's my
Yep.
problem.
Yep, no, but that comes from experience, bro. And experience happens by really screwing up, getting
Yeah.
liquidated.
But
All
there's
right,
a
I'm gonna
nice
drop. All right, I
resistance
just took
area
some
where it's
more
right now.
profit.
Yeah, right now where we are right now, there's a nice resistance there. You see how those two candles before that
Yeah.
struggled,
Okay,
and
it's
those
trying to
two
get
candles
through.
before struggled. So
All right,
that's
so
why I'm saying I think it might go back up, and then I'll take it again.
well, I just took some more profits.
Hmm.
Let's take some more. So now we're
You see how it's going back up a little bit?
all right. So
Good,
now
you took
we're
it nice.
$336 in profit on the day, and
That's what I wanted to happen. Now it's
yeah,
happening. Okay,
okay, so now I'm getting ready to short. We've got more capital,
exactly,
more
exactly.
more weapons.
Oh, that's what I wanted to have. You see how it's happening? I love it.
So I'm waiting for it to get to the top of the orange chart, and
Which
if it
orange chart? Ah,
does,
okay, the orange, the channel that you have.
yeah, timing is everything in the markets, right? Timing
Yeah.
and having patience, right? You can't. The market's going to go wherever the market wants to go, right? We have an idea. Remember, it's a living, breathing animal.
Brutal animal.
Oh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. So I'm going to always, on the right-hand side, I'm setting up another 25 points, 24 points, whatever it is, 24.
Like this thing that they have this,
Market.
it's nice.
Here we go. Look at that. Now, if it comes down here, I'm definitely taking more profit. But I think I'm looking here. This is a very, very, this is going to come back down at least to here. So I'm hoping it reaches here. They'll take 25% again. And we're going to keep building the arsenal and taking profit. Now, you'll notice I'm not working with the stop loss. I don't recommend that for everybody. For me, doing a 1 minute, you need some breathing room. There we go. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, it dropped quicker.
Keep going, baby. So if it breaks below that wick, it's going to go further down to here, and that's where I'm going to take some more profit.
That's what's happening with my buys on gold.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Still,
here we go. Here we go.
hey, it's dropping. Let's see if it's gonna respect. Oh,
I think it's going to blow through that support. And there we go. There we go. There we go. All right, I just took some more profit.
that's beautiful.
So
That
now
is beautiful.
Now we're at 390.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, if you love this technical analysis, this is one of the top qualities things that you can get out there online, man. This is one of the highest qualities of technical analysis that you can get there online. Look, this is channel. It's respecting the channel. It respected that 70,000 mark we had. I wonder if it's going to respect that 40 mark, that 40,000 mark that we set online on that call a few days ago. But if you're not yet with us on those calls, people who you're watching this, you're truly missing out. You should lock it in your schedules and just hop on these calls and learn a thing or two. This is a skill that you should have. Anyone out there, anyone who knows me and you should have that skill.
Okay, I may take a short.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to go back up. Yeah, I'm waiting for it.
Very strong move.
I'm taking it now. I took it now, a small one.
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I want to see if it comes back up here. Very good chance it pops down because there's a lot of confluence here.
Yep.
But you got a lot of buying pressure down here. So I don't doubt it comes back up this way.
If it goes all the way up to the channel, I'm taking another one. That's for sure.
So if it hits that the orange top, I'm going to come in there. Because look at this. This is a lot of buying pressure. At the end of the day, we're still moving down. Okay, it's going to try to pop up. I've got my closed short in the event I can take some more profit out of here. And I got capital ready to go for another open.
Yeah.
My liquidation price is at 69,110. So risk management, my margin ratio is only 6.77%. So again, this is when you talk about putting in 1%, 2%. I don't know. It's the traders I know. This is the way they trade. Okay, almost there. Now, the 7-day challenge that we're offering is, imagine, like I'm doing this manually, but imagine having an AI agent that's not emotional, doesn't have to go to the bathroom, right? Doesn't wake up cranky, doesn't need caffeine, doesn't need to eat. And it's up 24/7.
And then you can learn how to do this while you have that trading for you, so that you don't get that FOMO feeling.
Exactly. So people want to get started with crypto, but they're like, man, I can't do this. This is too much, and I don't have the time for this, and I don't have the space also to do this. And that's why I love the Viltrixa AI, the trading platform.
Yeah.
Because you put your USDT in. Here we go. I may take a short here. You put your USDT in, and it trades for you. And wait, let's see. Short in. And you don't have to make decisions. It does it all for you, and it does it in super lightning fast. So you're sleeping at night and it's trading, right? Because most of the people are missing this. Let's see if it respects the channel. Still got a lower low. I expect it minimum to come down here. Minimum.
Yeah. It has to. There's no reason whatsoever for cryptocurrency all of a sudden to spike all the way up, unless all of a sudden an article saying that BlackRock bought something or something.
Waiting. Doesn't know what it's gonna do.
Now it's going. I don't think it's gonna spike that much up, and it has to drop back. Then I might open another one right now if it goes up higher a little bit more.
Oh, let's see what gold is doing.
Gold is still struggling. She's like walking around the room. She's like, "Oh, what am I gonna do? Should I go 5,000? Should I go 4,000?"
Here's the ETH. Here's ETH. I think this can go to 1,200. If it goes to 1,200, that's where I'm going to start buying ETH. It's a very, very disappointing animal. Much like XRP. Very disappointing.
XRP?
Oh, yeah, what a disaster.
I took, what was the highest one with XRP? It was 4.2 or something. That's highest, right? Something like that. I took it out when it was like 3.8 or something like that. I had like 2,000 in it. It went up to like 7 or I don't remember what. Then I had a few hotels and bills I had to pay in Dubai, so I took it out, paid it with it, and then a few days later it dropped. I was like, "That's how you do it. That's how you do it." You look in the mirror, you're proud of yourself. You're like, crypto crush, baby.
Okay, here's an interesting pump.
but I think it's going to come back down. This area is struck maximum at 679. It will drop back down, but I think from here it's going to start dropping down back. There is a channel. You must respect the channel, Habibi.
And when it did come back, look what came out, man. This
Boom,
the
boom,
market
boom.
just smacked it back in line.
Yep.
It was
Don't-
like, where do you think you're going?
Where do you... Mister?
They threw it back faster than the Trump border patrol agent on the Mexico border, man. They just threw that. They threw him back over so fast. It went right through the channel. It went right through the channel in 2 minutes.
You sit your back down.
Oh, you know what? Let's take a look at some RSIs. Hold on. Or SMA. SMA 20.
What is the SMA 20 for those who don't know?
Simple moving average.
Opa.
So inputs, length.
No, I wanted the D. Wanted the. My bad. I lost that. I was meant the D. DX. Dixie.
Inputs 200. Okay, so yeah, the bad news is this thing wants to go up here. But the trend is down, man. The trend is down. You could see, you know what this indicates to me?
Huh.
If I'm looking at this, then let me open this thing up. If I'm looking at this, then this is positioning itself. I may come out of this because it's positioning itself to.
Let's see how these candles close now. If these candles are going to struggle to close below the channel, then yeah, we can expect that.
This looks like it's positioning itself to make a pop up
Yeah.
during the American Open.
That's what I'm saying. Let's look at these next few candles that are opening up now. If they're going to consolidate like that, the way they are doing right now, yeah, I might do that as well. Now that we saw this piece of information.
Breaks. Okay, it's trying to break through. Let's see what happens here.
Yes. Oh. Whoa.
Destruction! Get back in line, boy! Boy, get back in line!
boy.
You going somewhere? Where you going, boy?
Oh my God.
Woo! That was
amazing.
hilarious, man. That was hilarious.
But it's still trying to pump back up. So I would. I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's like it's this rebellious child. You know what I'm saying? I'm having so much fun, man. So we're gonna get into position for another. I may come out. I may come out in a minute. May close the whole thing because that RSI.
Yes, that's scary.
But so let's see. It's now outside. Let me extend this channel some more. It's now a little further out. Boom.
RSI at the top. That's
This is where it wants to go, and
Yeah,
it
that's
looks
why.
like it's.
and those two lines are trying to close between them all the time. So I'm kind of hesitant when it comes to.
I may close out of this already because we had a good run, but I think we had the same thing happen up on the left-hand side. Came up, bounced off, came back up again, and then it came back in. If it breaks that channel, I'll come out. But so far, so good. This is the benefit of having realized profit already of $414. If it gets back in the channel, I think take some profit and then wait for the New York Open, which happens in about 3 hours and 10 minutes. It's trying, man.
It wants to pump.
But the 200 SMA is coming down.
The 200.
The
It's
big red
coming
line.
down. It's going down. The red line.
Yeah, you know what's interesting is this could be setting up for a pump in New York. All right. Here we got some action. I'm putting 25% because that's a strong rejection down. Strong rejection down.
You're putting another short now.
I might be, because that was, if it stayed like a solid candle, yeah, look at that. That's a strong rejection down. It's trying.
I'm kind of scared right now. It looks like it's pumping.
No. You can't ever have fear. Like, see, that was such. You see how that rejected straight down?
Yeah. But you see how the pattern is kind of switching up a little bit?
Same
This
thing
candle-
happened. No, same thing happened here. Remember, red, green, and then I got whack. I'm expecting the same thing. It could go green, solid next candle, but I'm expecting this to be smacked back down. All right, I'm preparing. So I have a short position that I can prepare to come in on, and I got profits that I can close at 25%. If this candle here stayed solid green, I would have came out. But it rejected so fast.
Rejected. The wick was big also. Let's see this one. Okay.
Remember, if you look on the left, it could go green, go
Right.
back to the top, and then it could get a big
And
rejection.
then the next
big
one can
move
get
down.
boom, smack down.
Maybe. That's what I'm hoping for. And then I think once that move is finished, if it comes back into the, if it comes out, I'll close. If it comes in, I'll close, and then we'll get ready for the New York Open. Because the New York Open could have a pump. That's kind of what I would be looking for the first few minutes is like this boom, like a godlike candle.
Let's see this one. Let's see how this one closes.
It's closed week. Closed week.
Nice. Very nice.
So there's the
It doesn't say. Does it show you how much time there's for the candle? No, it doesn't show you. Also on BingX, it doesn't show.
no
Max on that. Like TradingView has the
seconds.
the seconds.
This looks like it's gonna come back down.
Yeah. It's pushing down.
There it goes.
Habibi, there you go. Let's go.
It's following that same pattern up on the left. Okay. Nope. Respecting the channel. Boom.
Come on, mommy. Come on, mommy.
What's the weather like by you, man?
it's kind of nice. It's a bit cloudy today, but it's not a day for the beach. I can't go to the beach right now and trade on the beach like I usually do in the summer. Summertime trading is much more fun because then I just sit on the beach and do my trading. That weird guy on the side speaking to people in English, because people don't usually speak in English in Israel, right?
I know the feeling.
That weird guy. Oh, did you see that?
I'm
Hey.
okay, I'm taking a little bit of profit.
Oh, that was a nice one.
So, but it did what we said it was going to do, right? Remember, third candle, smackdown. Now it's gonna try to regain its composure.
It's going to try to regain buyers, and then I might enter again.
So we've got profit. We've got some capital that we can use to.
هذا شليح ولا Oui, 1 second.
This looks like a good time to short. Oh, here we go. Got my Bitcoin hat on. Oh. I think after this, I'm gonna go take my dogs out into the woods for a while. Pray, read the Bible. Oh. Even though I should be working on a challenge, 7-day challenge, man. Like, that's the benefit of the 7-day challenge is you don't have to sit here and do what we're doing right now. It'll do it for you. And it's consistent. It's been consistently bringing in 10% returns every single month. And that's why.
All right, my man. I'm gonna jump off to the next meeting I have, so I'm gonna have to leave you here.
All right. Well, I'm gonna close it up then. We'll see each other at the New York
Beautiful.
Open.
Yep, in an hour, in 2.5 hours.
All right. Welcome back, everybody.
See you later,
everybody. Just a real.
Bye.
So this is part 2 of today's trading. So just real quick, I'm gonna show kind of what I did was I came out of the trades, and if you look, our wallet's at 1433.
We had a busy day.
So we had some good gains. We're now going to trade the market open. We're looking at gold right now. Tamir, what do you see with gold? Here we are on the gold price. This is the 1 minute. Let me go to the hourly. It came out of that triangle.
It came out of the triangle. It had a hard time holding above the 5,000, like we said yesterday on the live call that we had yesterday. We said if it's going to have a hard time keeping that 5,000 line, we're probably going to see a drop, and that's exactly what happened. We're right now at 4,800. So some of our community members took a sell on that. I saw in the group some people sent some screenshots that they took some trades in action on that sell. I took a buy right before this call. I think it's gonna go back to 5,000 because again, I don't think it's gonna go much further down. It might drop a little bit further down. We have another very strong floor at about, on a daily candle, we have a very, very strong floor. The next stop is 4,500 or 4,600. So I think, yeah, that wick over there, yes, this one, the 4,000, yeah, this one, 4,600. So
Yeah,
it might drop all the way there, but I don't think so. I just don't see it going all the way back down there. And even if it does, I think it's going to pull all the way back up. So I took a small buy now because I think we are going to see the 5,000. Even though you see the SMA 200 on your side, the SMA 200 is calling it down. But I really don't see it happening, especially with what we're seeing in the news lately. I think the war it's escalating. It's not looking good in the news. So let's see.
You know what? I normally would disagree, but I gotta agree with you on this. Only because this tail here on this candle it came back so strong. Right? So this is the hourly. Like it tried to come down twice. It came back up. It may try to get. We got to be aware.
And also, if you look a few days ago, that it had the same. Right, so this one, if you look back before the all-time high, somewhere around that area, it had a very strong wick as well when it pushed down and then went back up. If you look a few days back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 7 days back, on the same line of where we are right now, there's another, where's the date? The smaller candle with that big wick, the green, not this one, go a little bit further back, not a few more ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, one more, this one, yes, not this one, the one after what? The one, no, before, yes, this is the one. Look at the strong wick that this one had, and it's close to where we are right now. So this strong wick that we had now, this strong wick, we have a strong floor here. And then we had a few days, 4 days ago, we had a nice floor here as well. So I don't see it going any further, much down, especially with what's going on lately in the news. But you never know. So I did open a buy, put my stop losses as well. Remember risk management, but I'm holding on that buy. I think I'll put it all the way up until 4,950, somewhere around those numbers.
I like that number because look, like you got to remember it's going to hit this.
Exactly,
is
that's
also
what I was
resistance,
looking at. I was looking at the angle.
Right? So this is the 1 hour, so it could come this way. This is interesting. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Here's the Bitcoin chart. This is the hourly. It's on the. It's acting. You know what? It's acting almost exactly as gold.
Only a little bit more aggressive. Because it's crypto. It's a hyped market. Smaller market cap.
All right. So we've got. This is a tough one to call, man. This is the minute. We got the 200 moving average below. We've got the 20 moving average up top. Let me make that a better color if I could.
So we're at the SMA 200 over there. And the 20 is going to be green.
I'm gonna make this.
NXT got some neat platform, man.
Yeah, I agree. So there's the 20. I don't know. Actually, I'm not really sure how to trade this, to be honest with you. Let me take a look out. I may not have a trade. We traded a lot. Well, not a lot. We traded for almost an hour, I think, right?
That's a lot. An hour in trading is like a day in real life.
Let me get rid of this. Now, here, if I go into hourly, right, this looks like it wants to come back up. And the reason I say that is because it made a low, and then it made a higher low. These two lines here, this is the channel we traded in.
Yeah.
And then we came out right here. We came out right at the freaking bottom, dude. And then it turned. If you rewind back, we're gonna put this all together. But if you rewind back, we said, I don't know, man, that SMA, that 20 SMA is turning.
That's insane.
And we said, let's get out of
trying
here.
To push back up.
And we said, I think it's gonna try to make a push.
Wow.
Up for the New York market, which it looks
you're lucky. You're lucky you closed that short because you were wrecked that whole profits, man.
But luck has nothing to do with it, right? Because you're
reading
it's charts.
Not luck, right? Because we had plan. We had a plan. We put the plan there. So but it's good that you followed the plan.
Let me see. Where was it? It was somewhere here.
We were up by 400. You were up by 400.
Yeah, and we ended up making another 100. So New York Open is coming in 10 minutes. I'm wondering how. I don't even know if there's a trade in here, to be honest. I don't know.
There is. Maybe there isn't. That's why you got to be consistent, right, ladies and gentlemen? You can't be a one-day rich, overnight type of person. And you got to join the next live call, which is tomorrow. You gotta subscribe to our YouTube, to our Telegram, to our WhatsApp.
Yeah, definitely subscribe to the YouTube. See, it
And
could
put the
make a push.
notification on because we go live every day, so don't miss out.
I'm thinking that it is possible we come up to I'm on the hourly now. I'm thinking it wants to come back up here, right? It wants to retest this support, this resistance right here, this blue line. I'm thinking that's where it wants to go. Having said that, and the only reason I say is because you got a lower high over here, right? So you've got a lower low, a higher low, lower low, higher low. Interesting. Let me stop my screen for a second. I want to take a look at some things.
If it would have gone higher, I would have taken a sell, but not yet. If it goes all the way up to 6,900 or 6,900, 69,200, then I'm definitely taking the sell.
Yeah, I would also. Let's take a look here. We got FOMC minutes tomorrow. So this is the price action coming in. They're probably expecting it to go lower.
What's the volume heat map on your side?
Let me see.
Any news on the volume heat map? On this one. On the Cypher B.
We got this is a market Cypher B. We got a big green dot, big green buy signal here. That's
which
another
we passed already.
Huh?
Which we passed already.
No, but if you see when this happens, it follows through all the way through, right? Here's another one, follows all the way through, another one all the way through. So we have not followed all the way through. We're not there yet.
Oh, so you're saying we have a long way to go in this one?
Potentially, like market, it depends.
Well, I'll tell you what, we are, you know what we should do? We should zoom out one moment and go back to Judah's analysis and see if by cycle time, if we're in the right time to be at an all-time low based on the previous cycle, and then let's see if we're close to it or far from it, because they might give it a few more days or a few more weeks to dangle between those, up and downs before they drop, because we said in the general picture that we see it dropping lower, right? But you know how they do it with cryptocurrency. Look how long it was last time before it dropped again. Look. You see it here on the daily. You see how long it took it to drop? No, and then again, that's how they do it. They up and down, then boom. Up and down, boom, right? They make you close your trades, go crazy, don't know if it's going up and down, and then boom, drop. That's what happened all this time since I can't see the date, but all this time that was sliding, that's exactly what I see there. And that's exactly how it's all the time with cryptocurrency.
I agree on the longer time frames.
I don't think we're going to drop now. I think we might actually see a little bit more of an uptrend, but if we wait a few more days, then definitely we're going to see a drop.
Yeah, this is going to come down. It's whether or not right now whether or not there's a trade, because remember we're not looking at the daily. If we're doing a long trade, right, then we know this thing is coming down to 40,000. That's the analysis. It's whether or not I'm talking about bringing this up to maybe 68,300. Like that's what I'm looking at potentially. So I'm just going to set everything up. I'm going to set up I come in at 25% right now, and I'm looking to see how the market's reacting. This is the 1 minute. We got 4 minutes left. And we're going to wait for the first 2 minutes of the market open. And,
I'm with you, brother. I'm taking it with you.
So I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see how the market's going to go, because the truth is, it can go any which way it wants. And I get this
Right.
question asked all the time, Steve, what do you think the market's going to do? What do you think Bitcoin's going to do? And I can say with 100% confidence that I have no freaking clue. I can
I'll tell you what I
guarantee.
do know.
What I can do is I can-
don't know.
No, but like, it's like this. Do we know? It's like this. You know, is summer coming? Yes, you can get ready for summer, right? If winter's coming, you don't know when it's coming, but you know it's coming, so you know you got to get ready for winter. So in my case, I got to get all this wood for my farm. We shut down the summer houses on the farm, the outside kitchen. You know what I mean? But then in the spring, summer's coming, so we start opening it up. So we don't know the exact date, but we do know that it is coming. There's that little pump you were talking about. Let's see. We're not open yet. Oh, this is some juicy movement. Look at this. This is some nice action, bro.
Let's see what it's gonna give us. Let's see if it's gonna give us and show us the cards. Show us the cards.
You know what, man? I don't know. This it's going to 5. This is the 5 minute. See, I'm thinking we could quickly, boom, come up here, and that's
Right.
enough profit for me, right?
Ooh. That's more than enough for me.
That's
That's
enough.
more than enough for me, man.
You know, but we don't want to gamble. We want to see what's going on. So usually this little step up like this, I don't like when that happens. That usually it could be a short, so I may short this. But we're gonna watch the first 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Entertain yourselves.
Yeah, look at the charts. Candle is looking like it's gonna shoot back up. Let's see how this 1 minute candle closes. And then, ladies and gentlemen, whoever is watching this right now, if this candle closes another green, another 2 green candles, then that will be a good sign for us to take a nice sell. But let's see if we close above the 68,137 at some point. But I don't think we're gonna pass that number. I think we're gonna drop all the way down from that number.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So I'm leveraged at 300x cross. It doesn't matter because it's the only position I have. I'm not in other positions. 1 minute. Let's see where this baby goes. I like the fact that these two lines are close together. That's very, very good. Let me make this. So I made purple the 20. When they're close together like this, that's good action. We're at a nice support at 68,000 too. Like riding a bull. Market open. There we go. Okay. Looks like it's gonna, let's see. Oh no, fake out. First candle. Look at this action, man.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh,
All right, we're waiting. This is
We're
why
waiting.
I don't come in yet. I'm
you
waiting.
would have got wrecked right now. Woo. I love it, man.
This looks
It's like watching a UFC fight, this thing.
So we're waiting for it to do the first 2 candles. Maybe even 4.
We're gonna let it play itself because
This looks like it's gonna come down, I think. So the first minute of the market open, it's coming down. I think it's gonna go, it's really gonna short here. Let's see. Don't fall for the trap. You don't want to come in. And let's see. We still gotta wait. We gotta wait. I know it's tempting to come in, but we gotta wait.
Wow, it's tempting.
And that's why.
I want my finger on the trigger.
That's why you gotta wait. You see?
Oof.
Total fake out. We're waiting for this candle. If
this wick is closing down big, I'm doing a short.
If the next wick goes above where this closes, I'm going up. Actually, I'm gonna take it. I'm going up.
No, if the wick is closing above, yeah. If it's closing down, then I'm going lower. Oh my lord! Look at this.
That's some nice action here.
Ooh.
Okay, now we're at resistance. This is a nice first minute of trade. Okay, second candle. I'm in. I'm in. I just took a trade. I'm in. And let's see where this goes.
Ooh, scary one. Market open is dangerous, but let's see. Very nice, very nice. Come on, baby. Very nice. That's very nice, ladies and gentlemen. That is very nice. That's high quality trading what we're doing here over here, man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is entertainment purposes only.
Oh, look at this.
It's gonna go back up, in my opinion. Look at this wick. It's not letting it drop. Let's see. It's not letting it. It's not letting it. Come on, Wiki Wick. Come on, Wiki Wick. Go up. Come on, you can give us a.
It could be wanting to go down, which it is.
Not today.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go down, man. If it does, then I will reverse. First 3 minutes, market open. We're getting our ass kicked.
Yeah, we're getting our ass kicked.
Getting our ass kicked.
We're getting our ass kicked, but the game is not over yet. Game is not over yet.
That 20-minute, this 20 RSI has got to turn. If it does, that's good for us. All right, there's the major support. It's got to break through this. And if it does, it'll take off.
If it breaks through it, we're good. If not, then we're gonna have an issue with this one.
Then we come out and we trade another day.
Yes, sir.
Right? Can't win them all.
Nope. We had a great day.
But this isn't done by a long shot.
One tight. We might end this. We might end this nice. Let's see.
This is the critical range of support.
Yeah, this is we're right now. We're right now.
There we go. There we go.
Let's
there we go.
Let's see.
And lost.
Yeah, looking like it's gonna go back all the way down.
holding that 68. Come on. It's holding that 68. It's really defending 68 there. And we are losing it.
Yep, today we are having our ass whooped.
Well, right. We had a good day in the morning. We're still not.
Morning, we had a beautiful time.
One of the things I may do is I may close 50% of this to come back in at a lower position. But still waiting. It's holding this level. Hasn't broken this level yet.
It's really struggling. Let's see how this week closes. Yalla, brother. Yalla.
Okay, I'm gonna put stop loss 67,863.
And then we just let it play. And whatever happens.
Well, if it breaks that, then we're toast, right? But now,
Yeah, there's no reason to stay in it if it breaks that.
It's consolidating. It does look like it's gonna go down, in my opinion. It was a great
stop loss. You
here.
put it at 67. You put. Oof, that's low. 67863. That is our stop loss, ladies and gentlemen. 67863. That is our current stop loss.
We got stopped out. Okay, so now we're waiting.
Yes, we
I'm gonna wait to re-enter. We're gonna wait for a dead cat bounce.
Oh my lord.
And let's see what happens at this over here.
Oof, look at this candle dropping. Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow.
That would have been a good trade coming down.
Oh, oh,
Still going.
oh my god.
Okay, we may have a bounce here.
This one did not respect the SMA 200 at all.
Well, yeah, and it's coming down, so that means it's probably going to go down. Oh,
This one smacked the SMA 200.
Let's take a look at the hourly here.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was a whoa. It is.
Hey, if it could bounce, but it looks like it's going to go further down. To be honest, it looks like
not respecting the lines at all. It's so far from it. Why?
Yeah, I think it's going to get further. It's going to run further from it. I may have to short this thing. Let's take a look.
Let's make sure that we're not chasing the market here.
No, I think if I look at that 15-minute also.
What's it saying on the 15?
It's broken. It's broken total structure, right?
Yeah.
And it's still coming down. See how this plays out. This is coming. If it breaks this, man, this goes to 66. And it's coming down.
Wow.
We're in profit.
You're in short right now, okay.
We've broken total market structure. This thing's coming down.
We might reach that 40,000 that your son said sooner than we thought.
We could hit 66,500 here. That's very possible. I expect these bounces to keep coming. If I go into higher time frame at an hour, very strong support here, but it can wick down to 66. So a lot of room to play.
Right now the trade is looking good. Let's see if we keep on going. Oh yes, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That's how you just take the money that you just lost in a second. Let's go.
Yeah, but don't revenge trade, right? Don't do that.
No. It's not a revenge trade. It's just we got out. We took a stop loss, right?
Yeah.
We took the stop loss.
Yeah, we
Now
got to stop out.
we're taking 50% out right now. So we're taking 50% of the profits out, right?
I'm waiting. I want it to come back again a little bit further.
I like how the MEXC has that closing percentages. So nice.
I love MEXC. My
really do.
favorite was Bybit, but then once Bybit got smashed in Europe,
beautiful. Look at this, man. We're looking.
All right, we're gonna
nice.
take some profit, 50% profit, and we're gonna let this ride now. Our liquidity is 69,573. We have a lot of money to play with here. We have 1,100 to play with, so we can even ride back up. Oh, look at this go! Look at this go!
Yes.
We're gonna close out another 50 soon.
Great stuff. Great stuff. So we had a small loss in the beginning. I closed my entire short. I don't know. I'm waiting for it to go back up, and then I'll re-enter or something.
Hey, it's trying to come back up, but there's a lot of sell pressure, so it's going further down, further down.
Let's do it.
If it comes up, I'm going to buy some more because we have a lot of liquidity. This moving average is coming down. The purple moving average is coming down. So I would expect this thing to come down even further. And there it is. I'm going to get ready to take another short if it pops up. But I expect this to come down because you got the 20 moving average and the 200 both dipping down. All right, I'm putting a little more in.
Put a second ago, so we're looking good. This is the skill, ladies and gentlemen, knowing how to in and out and not getting stressed over that small loss that we had in the beginning. It's not about revenge trading. It's about taking a zoom out, taking that little jab. I call it a jab cross. We took that jab cross, took a step out, zoomed out, looked back in, and went back to do our thing. This is looking great.
All right, so I'm gonna take another 50. I'm gonna wait to take another 50. I think it's gonna go further down. Look, it's already at 66,850. So we're at 316 profit. Here comes a pump up. Wow, this is just a cliff, dude. That is a freaking cliff. I expect to pump up, but we've locked in 316 profits. And we're back at 1362. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's fighting. It's holding on to this range, but we hit our target 66.8, right? We said 60.
We did. You said it.
If it breaks this, then wow, we can have a really nice day shorting this thing. Yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure.
I'm out to sell.
Making some more profit. It also gives us space to breathe for liquidity. We're not worried about being liquidated. And if it pops up, we could just put another sell order in. So here's it's trying to rebound. It's really not doing that well.
Good. So I wasn't.
We're back at 1420. That may have been the move, although they're both still coming down. The 20 and the 200 are coming down. Okay, so it could maybe pops up here, but no.
That's what I'm trying to say. I would love to get another sell right now. I would love to get another. Another lovely sell would be lovely for us today.
Depending on how this, yeah, I think I'm gonna put another short in because this is coming down again. Yeah,
I was preparing a short.
Yeah, but look,
and I to bounce. Bob, I
We're-
came.
we're-
in the live trade.
What was you
I'm long.
You're longing.
I'm
No,
longing.
I'm sure. I'm gonna put another short in.
This is going.
He's longing.
I'm
Judah, what are you doing? Are you longing
You're up there.
40%.
He's up 40% right now.
on the long? Oh,
He's
looking
on
at
a
the
long.
bottom?
He opened the long at the bottom.
Yeah. I came in at let's see,
Oh.
67.
I'm like, who's coming? Who's coming
66,900. 66,900.
Yeah. Okay,
He's
so we can
betting
see it.
against his dad, bro.
66,900 is
Yeah.
the price I came in.
Oh my God! I can't
That's
believe
good. That's good job. Good job, man. Good job. Jump in. Hey, you want to jump in the Zoom?
Yeah.
I'll give you the link. Jump on in.
Fathering something.
Can
Fathering
you shut the
something.
door? All right. It was hilarious. Let me give him the
epic, bro, epic.
Hilarious. He's the best, man. I'll tell you what. Here we go. Oh, he's gonna get killed. He's gonna get killed. Oh, it's a murder. Oh, now he's like
Another long. He's gonna take another long now.
we've got 419 in profits. I'm waiting for this to bounce. No, he may have been stopped out. y'all forget who taught my son. That would be me, right? I'm the one who taught my son.
Ah, that's so funny.
Y'all need to remember that.
Oh, should I open another? Nah. At this point, we're so low. You're not closing this short, huh?
I might, no, not now. I mean, this looks like it's trying to break through this real support here. So this thing here, look, right? If it breaks down here, then it can come all the way down to 66.2. So it can maybe come down another 400 points. Maybe not. If not, we're coming out.
That's wonderful. We are at a strong resistance though here.
Yeah, very, very strong. Very, very strong. I gotta find his. Yeah, this could be the time it's turning around. It could be because it's
Going back up, it's gonna test.
I may
Look at
put this down and just take the profits we got. We're coming up on the hour in 8 minutes, so it could be turning around. You can see a pump come back up in the hour.
It needs to break that 64, 66, and then it will start dropping to lower points. But this 66 level is giving it a hard fight.
Look at this. Wow. That's a lot of selling pressure, man. Still
Take
go.
a small short.
I want to see what happens at the top of the hour, because either it's going to change direction or it's really going to go even further down.
There's no there. This is exactly it's exactly at that point right now. I opened the short. Let's see how it turns out to be this one.
We got 6 minutes to the top of the hour. I expect a lot of turbulence until then. See, it should bounce down off of this support, this little right here, this thing here. It should pop. And if it does, then it comes underneath this candle for sure. But I think it's going to take 3-4 minutes to play out. Okay, let's see what happens.
Let's see where the liquidity is going.
You see, it looks like it's trying to turn, but
it's consolidating really bad over there. There's a tight battle over there.
It's like turning
this is a trade that either goes good or either doesn't go. Or real good, if it goes good.
Now, if y'all don't want this headache, you got to sign up for the 7-day crypto challenge, where we show you how AI does this for you, and you don't have to be here like we're doing and go through this.
It does everything for you.
It does it for you. It's consistent. It's stress-free while you're sleeping. I happen to enjoy this stuff, So,
oh, definitely. This is entertaining our personalities. We have to be here and see the money coming to us. Let's see how this green candle closes.
Turning, man. It could be turning. You got the top of the hour. The top of the hour. Let us know. Like when it in 4 minutes. Oh, there we go. I may close this thing. And reverse course again. Let's see. Let's see. Or is it getting rejected? Is it getting rejected?
If it goes above the 670, and I'm closing.
May shut it down.
Yeah, I'm out. But I might open a long now because I see that it's not dropping back down. It might go back up to that channel.
I am waiting to see what happens at the top of the hour because I know at 10 o'clock money starts flowing in from institutions, and I want to know if this is a turnaround. If it is, I'm just flash closing. We made good profit today. We made really good profit today.
Yeah.
Did you ever see The Wolf of Wall Street?
Oh, come on.
Classic, right? Classic.
Come on.
So
I study that. Like once a month, I study that.
he's a great salesman, right? He's
Wow.
a great salesman. But early on, he's in the restaurant with Matthew McConaughey, his boss. And he says, "Sir, you do this high? You do this on drugs?" And Matthew McConaughey, I mean, with the straight face, just says, "How else would you do this?" And you can see if you don't have a handle on your emotions, that you can use a lot of drugs to shave the edge off.
It's crazy.
And that's why
That's why people got to learn how to control their emotions because I've seen a lot of people wreck themselves. If there's truth in that conversation, is when he says I've seen them flip over. I've seen it happen as well. Opa. That was a nice one.
we got a lot of liquidity here too. We have a lot of money we can put in if we wanted to. I'm waiting for the top of the hour. I want to see what happens, how the market's moving, how the candles start moving on the top of the hour.
Got 1 more minute.
Okay, here's the
1 more
first
minute.
of the hour. Let's see. And
Your son with that long might be right.
he may have been stopped out though.
No, he might be stopped out because of the drop, but he wasn't wrong with the vision.
This still seems like it's pointing down. So first minute. of top of the hour. Second minute. All right, looks like it's correcting.
I did a long. I took a few dollars now on a long.
All right, I came out and I'm waiting. Let's see if we have support. I'm going to come back in
On a short.
on the long
On a long.
because it looks like it's turning, right? And look, the yellow is starting to turn, but we got to see.
Let's see the yellow. Okay.
It's at the 67,000 mark. The big number to hold. Took a long as well. It looks like it could be turning, setting up for either coming out, closing long at 50%. First thing we want to do is we want to cover the cost of our position down here. This is the make or break moment.
Yeah. Come on, give us a green.
If it does pop up, it's not going to pop up too far. Maybe up to 67.2, maybe. And it looks like it's coming down.
Yeah.
A lot of action here. What a battle at this line.
What a battle, yeah.
What a battle.
Oh, come on. That's nice. And we're gonna give it a few more minutes and we're gonna call it off, yeah?
Yeah, we've been
How
off.
this one closes and smacking the market.
It's holding the 67.
It's holding, yeah, I can see. It's getting not fun. I don't think it's gonna, I don't know, I don't see it climbing back up, but let's see.
It's holding at the 67.
Yeah, that SMA over there is
All right, so we're officially in realized profit now on the trade. We can come back in for a long if it's popping up. Let's see. Nope. I'm out. All right, so on the day, let's take a look at how we did on the day because we're done for the day. Let's go into futures, take a look. On the day, 40%.
That's beautiful.
All praise to our God. All praise. 40 points, not bad. I'm done for the day. I'm tired. I'm gonna go hang out with my family. That's kind of how I roll. So you got to see some live trades. The most important thing I think you learned from today is how I manage money, how I try to get profits, right, and build on the profits, make sure we have something locked in, how I don't stress out, I don't freak out. You remain calm at all times, right? I'm not afraid to change direction, especially on the 1 minute.
We're not afraid of staying in the game, in the money, seeing it going up and down. You saw some nice numbers over there. You saw people, for us it's normal, but for people seeing 600 becoming 800, 800 becoming 100, 100 becoming 1,000, 1,000 becoming back 200, 200 becoming 700, just like that. That can be very, very stressful. So yeah, that was a great session in my opinion. We had a great day today overall.
We did, and that's why, if you know what,
And we got our ass whooped live. No, we got our ass whooped at live, but we recovered very nice and wasn't chasing the market, revenge trading, going into that. I gotta do this right now.
Yeah, we ended up.
It was right. It was exact.
We ended up with a profit, so that's important. We didn't lose money, which is more important. Again, if you don't want to go through all this hassle, you should click the link below, start the 7-day challenge. It's free, and you'll learn how to set up an AI agent, which is a better trader than me by far, or my son by far. Stress-free, no technical analysis, no waiting, right? You set it up and it goes for you. So click that link below and get started. Be safe, everybody. Amir, final thoughts?
That is it. I think we had a great session today, man. I think we're doing something very special here. So let's keep it up.
See you tomorrow.